Okay, folks, so at the moment we have an iPhone. Yep. And this is where you interact with Clubhouse. But most of the features, so here's a visual for you of it. You know, there comes the output, you speak into it, and that's how it's done. But it's not recording anything in here. And often the software to record things is disabled. So you know how you can't record a phone call or anything that a video call or anything like that. There's a bit of software in there that'll disable it. And it's not always the best way to record it, isn't within your phone anyway. You probably need to pull it out. And I'm going to quickly show you how to do it and then go into much greater depth for those people wanting to actually follow it step by step.
Welcome to the best business show in the world.
So the best way to do it, take the dongle bit that you had that came with your iPhone because you've no longer got a jack. Connect that up. Connect it into your phone. Yeah, because this wire comes with a device which is on the Rodecaster Pro. Okay, what is that? That is a nifty mixing type thing for audio. I'm no audio expert, so forgive me for that, but it has buttons on it and it has slider things on it. You literally connect this, and hopefully there'll be a picture or a little bit of video footage showing me connecting it into the back of the Rodecaster Pro. This is the Rodecaster Pro, and this is what I mean about the slidey thing. So my volume goes on, and then it comes back up, okay, on there. And what you can also do is you can put sounds in here as well, so you can play a sound, but you need to have it there so that you can hear it. There you go. And can you see here that this is the one for the mobile phone? So this is where you're going to be connecting Clubhouse into the Rodecaster Pro. Let's remind ourselves how we do that. So you grab your phone, you may have a picture of your Chihuahua dog on there, who knows. And what you would do is connect that converter in, connect that up to the cable that Rodecaster give you. The other end, let me just tip that up. Can you see in here? So I've got headphones in here at the moment. This is the power. This is the connection to the computer. And over here, you can see that is the microphone in here that I'm using. But there is a symbol for the mobile phone, and you would just connect it underneath, plug that in, and that is it. Because the Rodecaster Pro has a specific slider where as you move the sliders up, okay, so say you've got one here, these are not done, slide this up and the audio from here comes into the mixer. So I've connected the phone up, I just put some music on, slide it up, and you can hear now that audio is coming in, okay? And that is how you're getting your phone. So this is Clubhouse, imagine that noise there. That sound was the conversation in the Clubhouse. This is how you are connecting the two up. That means it's then available as an output into a piece of software where you can save it. So actually the entire conversation on here is now coming through this wire into the Rodecaster Pro. That's good? Yes, it is. But what you want is a better sound quality for yourself to come in with it. So as you're talking into Clubhouse, you're not actually talking straight into the phone, you're talking into the Rodecaster Pro. How do you do that? You'd get something like this. It's a very simple bit of kit. It's pretty cheap, maybe £30 plus, so about $50, something like that. And what you get is all the little bits that you need to have a microphone. So here we go. Here's one. So you get a little stand, you get the cradle, and you get the XLR cable. And this kind of chunky cable is what's going to go into the Rode. So let's draw that in. So here is your microphone. There you go. And it has this lead coming out. And that goes in the back. The lead that had the little dongle from the iPhone goes in as well. And then these are connected, which means that the audio from you talking in here now comes all the way along and gets into the Rodecaster. And everything that's going on in the Clubhouse comes in this way as well. Then what you can do is you can export, well, you can then record this on software. And the software I use is called Ecamm. Okay, so it's a very simple setup, and that's all we're trying to do. So just to give you an idea as to how to get your head around that, I wanted to just lay it out. Well, I hope that was useful, gave you an insight. If you want to go deeper, find out about the video and go step by step, then have a look at the next video coming up after this. Otherwise, I'll see you either on the How to Raise Money podcast, the Best Business Show, or in Groove University. See you there.